Thank you very much. Well, it is great to be with you. Thank you so much to the Washington County Public Affairs Forum members for giving us this opportunity to talk about the Superintendent of Public Instruction election and what this position is about, and the focus of our candidacies and our campaigns here. This, for me, of course, there is no more important work that I think our state should be focused on and need to make progress on than educating every single student in Oregon. All of our children need to leave high school with the skills they need to take their next steps in this global economy in this 21st century. Our kids need to have the skills and the knowledge to be able to compete internationally today. So I am very proud to say that as I've been state superintendent, we have made progress on improving what we're doing with the high school diploma and raising the standards for all of our children so that they can be proficient in reading and in science and in math, and as they move on from high school into whatever they want to do next, if it's going into college or if it's going straight into the workplace. And when I first ran for this position and first took office, I can't tell you how many times as I crossed paths with employers and with people from our community colleges and our universities who would say, Susan, our children are leaving high school and they do not have the skills to be successful, whether it is in the workplace or in the university. They would end up in remedial courses oftentimes in our university system or in our community colleges. So we have gone to work on that issue, and we have raised our expectations and raised our standards, and are implementing that work here in Oregon and moving forward. Our districts are very, very focused on that work and moving forward, and I want to see that work through. As the state superintendent, I am very proud of that work, and if I did leave office tomorrow, I could feel very proud and very good about having accomplished raising the standards for all of our children. So I'm very, very proud of that work. The other work that we've been doing, and I know that there are some folks here who are very passionate about the early learning agenda for our children, we have been making progress on helping more children get help early. We have more children in Head Start today than we've ever had. And those are the programs that help the poorest of the poor children in our state. We now have an early Head Start program that our legislature has invested in, so we can help children even earlier than preschool to help them get the support, them and their families get the support and the help they need. And we've been getting more children into full-day kindergarten programs. We know for children in poverty and children who are English language learners that having them in full-day kindergarten programs really helps them be ready for first grade. So we know, we all want to make progress on closing the achievement gap, and we have been making progress in our state on that. We're not where we need to be, and we still have a lot of work there, a lot of challenges. But the achievement gap starts before kids ever get to school. And so we need to continue that great work that we've been doing on making progress, on helping our children early on so when they get to first grade, we have a level playing field for children in our schools. I think the other thing that I'm very proud of that we've been accomplishing in our state is providing better support and data to our schools. We have a growth model where you can follow the progress of every single student from pre-K now into higher ed, giving our schools, our teachers, better data and information so that they can help their students who are struggling and make plans for interventions and after-school programs or more time spent on reading and math and science to help our children meet the standards that we have set for them. So I think, that support for our schools, making sure that we're giving them good information and good tools that help them be able to help our struggling learners. I think that with that data, we are making progress on being able to focus in more on when kids are struggling and knowing what to do on intervening and helping them with more support. And oftentimes, it is about more time for them to learn and to get to those standards. And so we'll continue to make progress on that. We are continuing to build the data and increase and refine the data and information that we provide for our teachers, and supporting our educators, making sure that our teachers are able to come together and learn together, what we're calling professional learning communities that are so powerful in helping our teachers make more progress, because we all know that not all kids learn this at the same rate or learn in the same way. And so we need to help our teachers be able to work together and provide them good information about how they meet the needs of the growing diverse learners that we have in our schools, and engaging parents and making sure that we're working with parents and helping parents instill that value of education in their families and with their kids. My time is up. Thank you.